Would you like to update your Google Sheet rows without using any third-party software? Well, I'm going to show you how you can use ManyChat to do that, and I'm going to show you that now. All right, let's get this party rocking. We are going to talk about the new feature from ManyChat. It allows you to update a Google Sheet row. And so we're going to extend from what my other video showed you, how to set it up, how to set up Google Sheets, how to insert a row, and how to look up a row and bring the data back in and display it. So up on top, up above, you can see that I do have, there's a little eye up above. If you click on that, you can go watch that video. And so I suggest, if you don't know how to set up Google Sheets in ManyChat and to add a row and to update it, add a row and then look up a row, take a look at that, and then you can come back here. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend from that flow that I talked about in the other video, and we're going to extend that after we look up a Bible verse row. We're going to ask the subscriber, what is your favorite Bible verse? And then they're just going to put it in, and we're going to update the Google Sheet. Now here's the Google Sheet. I have an ID, first name, last name, full name, email, offer. This is for restaurants and stuff. So first off, what I'm going to tell you is always include the user ID. So go watch the other video. It'll show you how to bring the user ID into the Google Sheet, because that's going to be the key that you're going to use for updating, because it's a unique value. And that's what you need. You need a unique value in order to update something in Google Sheets. So I suggest watching another video so that you understand that. If you already have that, great. We're going to go back in this flow. And so what we're going to do, so it's just going to extend from where I displayed the Bible verse that they picked, 1, 2, or 3. We're going to extend that. And I already have it out here, but I'm just going to redo it. So I'm going to send another message. I'm going to do a delay for 3 seconds typing. And then I'm going to replace the message with a user input field. And I'm just going to say, what is your favorite Bible verse, Jeff? And click on that, and then I'm just going to get emoji question mark. And then in here, I'm just going to do text where they can type it in, and then I'm just going to save it to a answer, which is a text field. Now, you can do many different things, obviously, with this update row. You can, if they redeem a coupon or whatever, you can update that they got it. So this is what I did. I created this message. It just says, hey, could you enter your Bible verse in? The next step we're going to do is we're going to do an action to update that row. And so we're going to do a continue off the bottom here. I'm going to go out here and hit action. And then we're going to go into action. We're going to slide down to Google Sheet Actions. Click on that, and now we have 3 options to pick from: insert a row, get a row by value, update a row. We're going to do the updated row. And here, actually, I'm going to cancel that. I wanted to close that off. It's going to read what they said there. Please note that Google API is only able to process 250 requests every 100 seconds. All requests above this limit won't be processed, and this may affect your automation. All right. That's not going to affect us. So we picked update row, and now you have to pick the spreadsheet, the Google Sheet that you want. Ours is test email right here. That's the name of it right here. So we picked that, and now we're going to pick the worksheet. That's worksheet 3. So we're going to go to worksheet 3. And then the column we're going to use to look up. And so I just mentioned before, it'd be the ID. and that would be something you stored when you added the record. Now the lookup value, so this lookup value will be searched in the lookup column. We're going to use the user ID right here, the user ID for looking up. So whoever the subscriber is doing this action, we're going to use their ID, and then we're going to update this Bible verse you like column with the A answer where we stored what they entered, and we're going to save it. And then I just created another message. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to extend to that, connect to that. It just says, thanks for sharing. All right. I can delete this. I can delete this. These are ones I just used to test, confirm we had it all set up. So that's it. So now it's just an extension of the video that you can follow, how to add somebody in, and then how to look up a row. And now we're going to update that row. And we're going to publish that. And we're going to preview it. So if we go over here, it's going to say, what's your email? So I'm going to put my email in. CubMediaVox.com. All right. So we got that in there. And now we're in the delay a little bit there. And let's see. Okay, there it is. And then we're just going to pick a Bible verse to look up. Like again, it's in that video, previous video. You can see how to do all this. So I picked one. Here's your Bible verse today. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on the wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and will not be faint. Isaiah 40:31. And so now I'm going to say, what is your favorite Bible verse, Jeff? And so maybe you're collecting some information that you want to know. And then I can tell you, it's very important with all the Facebook changes that are going on and broadcasting going away, and basically you're like, how am I going to interact with my subscribers and all that stuff? Collect data from your subscribers, because then that gives you an idea what they like, and so that you can communicate on their level and create a one-to-one relationship, a one-to-one trust for a sale down the road. So just a little advice for you. Collect as much data. So here we are. We're going to collect, favorite Bible verse for me. And one of my favorites anyway, is Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. So I'm just going to copy this in. I'm too lazy to type it in. And I'm going to put that in here. And I'm going to enter. And so I took it, and it says, thanks for sharing. And so now we should see it. There it is. It updated that row. It's that simple as far as getting an update to Google Sheets. And you can use this for many things. You can see I have some offer date, redeem date. So, maybe you're a restaurant, or maybe you're a gym, or maybe whatever, you have an offer, and you're going to track the redemptions. And I have some videos on that. You can kind of follow those. And now we want to update the redeem date and how much they spent. And I know within previous videos, I used Zapier or Integromat to do that. Now you don't. You can use ManyChat for the whole thing. Well, that concludes our video for today on how to use ManyChat to update your Google Sheet rows without using a third-party software. We did cover, basically extended the previous video that I did on how to add and look up a row, and we extended that to show you how to actually update that same row with a Bible verse. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. And as always, like the video, share it across the world, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Click the little bell so you do get notification when I upload a new video. Down in the description, I have a link to a great Facebook group, all like-minded people sharing things. Come on and join us. And as always, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.